Education is not just about books, it is about ideas, thinking, and philosophy. Number 8. Progressivism. Introduction. Progressivism is a student-centered philosophy of education that emphasizes learning through experience. It believes that education should focus on the needs, interests, and abilities of learners. The philosophy promotes democratic values and prepares students for solving real-life problems. Founder/philosopher. John Dewey, father of progressivism. Francis Parker. William Kilpatrick. Main concepts. Education is life itself. Learning occurs through experience. Students learn by doing. Education should be child-centered. Schools should promote democracy. Problem-solving is an important aspect of learning. Aims of education. To develop problem-solving skills. To promote democratic values. To encourage creativity and innovation. To prepare students for social life. To develop critical thinking abilities. Role of teacher. Teacher acts as a facilitator. Teacher provides opportunities for learning. Teacher guides students in solving problems. Teacher encourages participation and cooperation. Role of student. Students actively participate in learning. Students learn through experiences and activities. Students work cooperatively with others. Students explore and discover knowledge. Curriculum. Activity-based curriculum. Social studies. Science. Arts. Community projects. Practical life experiences. Teaching methods. Project method. Problem-solving method. Discussion method. Activity-based learning. Cooperative learning. Advantages. Encourages active learning. Develops practical skills. Promotes creativity and innovation. Makes learning meaningful. Improves social skills. Disadvantages. Difficult to implement in large classes. Time-consuming. Less emphasis on subject content. Requires highly trained teachers. Next. 9. Essentialism. Introduction. Essentialism is a teacher-centered philosophy that emphasizes teaching essential knowledge and skills required for successful living. It believes that schools should transmit the core elements of culture and academic knowledge. Founder/philosopher. William C. Bagley, father of essentialism. Main concepts. Education should focus on basic skills. Knowledge is important for all students. Discipline and hard work are necessary. Teachers are authority figures. Academic excellence is a major goal. Aims of education. To transmit cultural heritage. To develop intellectual abilities. To prepare responsible citizens. To provide essential knowledge. To promote discipline and character. Role of teacher. Teacher is the authority in the classroom. Teacher directs learning activities. Teacher maintains discipline. Teacher provides structured instruction. Role of student. Students listen carefully. Students follow instructions. Students work hard to master content. Students respect authority. Curriculum. Mathematics. Science. Language arts. Literature. History. Geography. Teaching methods. Lecture method. Demonstration method. Drill and practice. Memorization. Recitation. Advantages. Strong academic foundation. Promotes discipline. Ensures mastery of basic skills. Prepares students for higher education. Disadvantages. Teacher-centered approach. Limited creativity. Less focus on student interests. Can make learning passive. Next. 10. Perennialism. Introduction. Perennialism is a philosophy that believes certain truths and values are universal and eternal. Education should focus on enduring ideas and the development of rational thinking. Founder/philosopher. Thomas Aquinas. Robert Hutchins. Mortimer Adler. Main concepts. Truth is universal and eternal. Human nature remains constant. Education should focus on intellectual development. Great books contain timeless wisdom. Reason is the highest human ability. Aims of education. To develop rational thinking. To discover universal truths. To cultivate wisdom. To develop moral character. To prepare individuals for lifelong learning. Role of teacher. Teacher is an intellectual guide. Teacher introduces great ideas and classic works. Teacher develops reasoning abilities. Teacher encourages deep discussion. Role of student. Students actively think and reason. Students study classic texts. Students participate in intellectual discussions. Students seek wisdom and understanding. Curriculum. Philosophy. literature, mathematics, history, science, great books of civilization, teaching methods, Socratic method, lecture method, discussion method, question and answer method, critical analysis. Advantages: develops intellectual abilities, promotes critical thinking, focuses on lasting values, encourages lifelong learning. Disadvantages: less attention to practical skills, may ignore contemporary issues, difficult for younger learners, can be highly theoretical. Conclusion: educational philosophies provide the foundation for educational practices, curriculum development, teaching methods, and learning experiences. Each philosophy offers unique perspectives on the aims of education, the role of teachers and students, and the nature of knowledge. Understanding these philosophies helps educators select appropriate approaches to teaching and learning and contributes to the development of effective educational systems. Education is not just about books, it is about ideas, thinking, and philosophy. Keep learning, keep growing. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more.